Hola guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of redecorating my hutch, a little bit of cleaning, and a little bit of everything. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to play some music and I will be talking to you guys here and there, but for now we're just going to clean up the hutch and decorate. I cleaned it off camera because my house is a little chaotic right now. We live in this home, but we're gonna decorate it together because I was tired of the mess that I had going on there, and I just want things light and relaxing to go with my home. reason for the dice, I'm gonna put a 5 and a 3 and a 3 because the 8 was Joel's birthday. Time to organize this a little bit, so I'm just gonna add it to this video because it's driving me crazy. Ready to move on from the blue, so let's see what I put in here. Oh my god, guys, I started cleaning my hutch. It was like about 7:30 p.m. around there, obviously not a.m. And so I decided that I was gonna move my air fryer because it was driving me crazy. I'm gonna show you right now. My air fryer was right there next to this thing right there. And it was driving me crazy because, you know, I feel like this should be clean. So I decided to move it and I was like, where can I move this air fryer? The thing is that I started moving everything. Everything. And I was just doing my hutch. And let me show you the time. That's what happens when I decide to start cleaning and decorate something. I don't know when to stop. It is 1:19 in the morning because I decided to put my hutch, not my hutch, oh my God. Because I decided to put my air fryer over here, move over my Keurig, and then I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do with this stuff because I had it on something else that now I have on top of my fridge, so I'll show you that. This was over there before with my Keurig. I put it on top of my fridge and my books. I don't know how it looks, but my son said it looks fine, and we're just gonna leave it there for now. And I decided to change some things and I hope that no one takes this the wrong way. But when you're doing YouTube, you can get stuck into doing what other YouTubers are doing because it looks nice and you're like, oh, I want to try that. It looks so pretty in her house and blah blah. Just stick to your style and to the stuff that makes you happy in your home and whatever you like, because it looks beautiful in their home. And I do it. You get caught up and I go and buy stuff similar and I do it in my house and I like it for a little bit, but then I'm like, it's not really me. So I'm just gonna stick to what I like. I like dark colors and stuff like that, whether it's summer, spring. You know, I don't want to be changing my home for spring, summer, and all that. I will change things because I change things a lot in my home. But I'm gonna do it my style and the way I like it. So I'm gonna give you an example what I'm talking about. I love these things, any color. And I actually bought these for fall, but I was like, I like them now. Why can't I put them now? And it looks nice with my books, so I put them out now. And they'll probably stay out for fall. I'll probably add a pumpkin or something and call it a day. I'm like ready to change this, you know, so this is fine. I don't mind that. There's a pot there because we were making mac and cheese for the kids and that's leftovers. I started changing everything around and this is what happened because I wanted this clean. What is that? I wanted this clean, like this area here, just with the stuff that I like out, that I use. And then this happened, you know? So I needed that space for everything else and I did that myself. I'm so proud of it. It's not all that, but it's cute. Hutch. It's probably not YouTube approved. But I wanted something simple and that it spoke out to me like it was about my son Joel, because this is my son Joel. He was 33. He passed away 7 months ago, and it's been super hard on me. I might not show it a lot here in my family, but I do sit in my car and it's been really hard on me. And so I try to do things that is for him, you know, in my home. So, and I already talked about the 5 and the 3 because he was born November 8th. So I wanted to add an 8. And I fluffed these up because I didn't earlier. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share a little bit of what I've been doing here. I didn't do nothing here, but that's it. My ring light's still out. I was changing Charlie's stuff. Being said, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys have a great night, a great day, whenever it is that you watch my videos. If you like this kind of content, which it's a little bit all over the place today, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.